Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine and doing good by the grace of God. Remember, this is your English book and I am your English teacher, Miss Michelle Michael. Very good. In the first video, we have learned a story and the story was about a baby elephant and the name of the baby elephant was Juby. Very good. In the second video, we have done our copy work and we done question answers in our English A copies. You remember? Very good. In the third video, we have done words meanings and words sentences in our neat copies in our English A copies. You all remember? Very good. Today we will do our copy work but in our new copy. आज हम copy work करेंगे लेकिन अपनी new copy में. ओके हम आज English B की copy में काम करेंगे. Today you all have to take out your English B copies with me. Which copy? English B copy with me. Okay, so open your bags everyone and take out your English B copy with me. Very good. So this is your English B copy. Okay, first of all, what you have to do, you have to draw a margin line like this. Okay, you have to draw a margin line first. Then you will write date over here. What is the date today? 26th April 2021. Here you will write lecture number 4. Which lecture? Lecture number 4. And here you will write the day. What is the day today? Monday. What is the day today? Monday. Very good. Here you will write topic. And the name of the topic is picture description. Picture description. Picture description means कि एक पिक्चर टीचर ने आपको बना दी है, एक पिक्चर हमें दी गई है और हमने उस पिक्चर को देखकर उस पिक्चर को डिस्क्राइब करना है, उस पिक्चर के बारे में बताना है कि ये पिक्चर किसकी है, इस पिक्चर में जो चीज़ है उसकी शेप कैसी है, उसका कलर कैसा है, उसका साइज़ क्या है. ओके, वेरी गुड. सो यू कैन सी द पिक्चर हियर. This is an apple. This is the picture of an apple. This is the picture of an apple. So you all have to draw an apple like this. What you have to do? You have to draw an apple like this. Very good. Then you have to color it also. Okay? You have to color this picture. Okay, everyone? And you have to do neat colors. When you will send your copies to me for checking, I will check it and I will give you stars. So you have to color it nicely. Okay? Very good. Now it's time to describe the picture. So here we will write the sentences. What we will write? We will write the sentences. Your sentence number 1 is, what is this? This is an apple. So here you will write, this is an apple. What you will write? This is an apple. Very good. Your second sentence is, it is red. Apple का क्या color है? What is the color of apple? Very good. This is red. So your second sentence is, this is red. Very good. Now next, it has a green leaf. What is the color of the leaf? Green. So here you will write, it has a green leaf. Okay. Now you will tell about its taste. About its इसके taste के बारे में बताएंगे. ये number 4th sentence is, it is sweet. It is sweet. Very good. And remember, you have to put full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay? As you see, right? You have to put full stop at the end of the sentence. Now, your last and number 5 sentence is I like it very much. I like it very much.